What's up again? It's your boy, Work to Travel to Eat, back again with another unboxing video. If it sounds like a little echo in here, that's because I am recording in my master bedroom bathroom because I didn't have anywhere else quiet in the house to really record with really good lighting like this. But anyways, back again with another unboxing. This time it's with the Google Nest Mini, second generation. Just received this in the mail today. I guess Google and YouTube Premium had like a special or something going on where if you're a subscriber or if you're a member to the YouTube Premium, every month they were giving away a free Google Nest Mini. So I was one of the lucky ones to actually get one. It was like absolutely free. I didn't pay for shipping, I didn't pay for anything, so I'm pretty happy and pretty blessed to have that. Shout out to YouTube Premium, and Google for sure for that. I really do appreciate that because I have actually been interested in getting one of these. You know, I think they're pretty cool. Sorry for the camera shake. I think they're pretty cool, and yeah. So let's get to it. Let's open it up. See what it's talking about. All right. I'll do that off the table so that I don't shake it too much for you guys. Sorry about that. And just like the typical, iPhone, iPad boxes, it has the slide to open from the top like that. You got your Google Nest Mini in there. Comes out, it's real nice. Feels real nice and heavy and durable, sturdy. Actually looks and feels similar to the JBL Clip if you are familiar with those. So it's got like a microphone button there. There's 3 lights that light up right there. I guess when you power it on. I don't really know how to power this guy on, but figure it out here in a second. I don't know if that's the power on button or not. Either way, we'll continue with the unboxing. Here goes a pretty cool wall charger. This thing's really nice. Nice brick with the G on it, Google G, and some funny style charging type. And let's see, what else we got? And your typical books and instructions and whatnot. Fucking file these away for later. And that's it. Nothing else in the box. Pretty cool. Shout out to Google again, Google and YouTube. I know they're one entity, but I like to give everybody separate shout outs. Shout out to you guys for the nice Nest Mini. I honestly don't know how to use this. I'm over here trying to press this as the power button. I don't know if this is considered the power button. Like, I don't really know what's going on. So I'm just gonna plug it up, give it some power, see how to get this thing going, see what this thing's about right here. I think this is for you to hang it on the, you should be able to hang it on the wall, like with a nail or something, or some kind of hanging device. But yeah, this is my Google Nest Mini. Got it free from YouTube Premium. Become a YouTube Premium subscriber, or a monthly subscriber or member, and shoot, you never know what prizes they'll give away. They got the Google Vision glasses or Google glasses. I don't really know what they're called. They got Google phones, the Pixels, they got Google Buds, so who knows what they'll be giving away just for, their faithful and trusty, committed monthly subscribers. So yeah, shout out to Google, shout out to YouTube. All right, guys, I don't want to blab too much. Thanks again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share. If you don't like it, give me the thumbs down. It's okay. I don't mind. Check out my other videos too. I have a few more unboxings and some travel videos in there also. Appreciate the love. Thanks. Peace out. Till next time.